Hello boys and girls, we have a new sound today. Two letters together, the letter Q and the letter U. Because whenever you see words that have letter Q, you will always see a U beside it. To get the sound qu, qu, quack, quack. Yes, it's like the duck sound.
The duck in the pond quacks, quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond quacks, quack, 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 all around the pond.
So this sound is qu, qu. And U gives me sound qu, a, qua. Curly k and kicking k says k, quack, quack. Excellent. Now let's see this word. Qu, I, quiz, quiz. Super, boys and girls. Qu. Remember this digraph? And says. Excellent. E. Queen. Queen. Very good. Qu. I. Quilt. Quilt. Very nice. Squid, squid, squid. Supers. This is qui. Again, curly k and kicking k says. Very good. Says one k. Qui. K, quick. Very good. Qu, and the digraph E, squeeze, and this is silent. Very nice. L, I, li, qu, liquid, I, liquid. Very good. Now let me show you some pictures. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a queen. Queen, queen. And the boy is saying quite. Quite. And this is a quilt. Quilt. And this is a question mark. Question mark. And the duck is quacking. The duck is quacking. Quack, quack. The letter Q. Remember our 4 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell me capital letters lies between which 2 lines? Perfect. Between lines 1 and 3. Now I'll start from line number 1. Jump like a dolphin, go round, hit line number 3 and back to the dot, and a small slopey line. And the U, I start from line number 1, go down, round on line number 3 and back to line number 1. Let me show you again. I start from line number 1, jump to the left, go round on line number 3, back to the dot, and don't forget the small slopey dash. And the U, I start from line number 1, straight down, round on line number 3, and back to line number 1. Let me show you the small Q. Small Q starts from line number 2. I go round till line number 3, up, close the circle, go down till line number 4, up again, and the small U between lines 2 and 3. Again, I start from line number 2, go round, down till line number 4, up again till line number 2, down on the same line to write the small U. So this is capital Q, small q, and the sound is qu. Capital Q, small q, and the sound is qu. Hope you had fun with me with this letter. See you again. Bye bye.